What's your name?
August.
August.
Do you feel okay?
Yes, I feel better.
So you no longer feel the pain in your back? And
oh, no.
That's good. I'm leaving now though.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. How much is your money again?
Oh, actually you just need to pay that to the company's account.
Oh, I see.
I mean, unless you want to give me a tip for the happy ending.
Here you go.
Okay. Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. You know, this is quite embarrassing for me, kind of.
Well, I think that's totally normal, especially when it's your first time, so.
Yeah, you know, I haven't really been with a man in several years.
Anyway, thank you for the money.
Anytime. Oh, you're welcome.
I guess I'm gonna have to take my leave now.
Okay. I believe this is yours too.
Yeah, actually. Thank you. Sorry, I got carried away. I mean, who wouldn't? It's $300.
Anytime. You're welcome.
Take care.
So, I've been wondering when you invite him to meet your parents.
Are you serious? I had no idea you wanted to meet my parents.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't I want to meet your parents? I love you. And I just wanted to be on the same page. You know? I mean, we almost done with the masters and we see how we make out first. Right now.
I can't stop thinking about him. I mean, the thoughts of him just keep tearing what's left of me. I want to be with him again.
You know, that was just a one night of fun, but if you want, I can arrange it for you provided. Oh, what am I saying? I mean, it's not like you don't have the money, so money is not the problem.
Yeah, actually, I like him. He reminds me of Leo, kind of.
That boy is just 25 now.
That's the problem.
Look. If you want a serious relationship, you can't have a relationship with that guy now. You need the responsible man, someone who can take care of your bills. I mean, look around, someone who can fund all these things. Not that gigolo playboy.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it, okay? Don't even worry you're putting it about it. I'll invite you over to my house maybe next week or something, okay? Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and right now what we should be talking about is your birthday is coming up. So what do you want to do for your birthday?
Okay. How much? Nothing today.
Do you want a cake?
Yeah, definitely.
A big cake?
No, not today. Not today?
Do you like flowers?
You like flowers?
What kind of flowers do you like?
Roses, daisy.
Yeah, you look like a roses kind of girl. But I call you Rose.
Hey, Mom.
What took you so long? Didn't I ask you to come back by 12? This is past 3.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
I'm so sorry. It's just AG had a lot to tell me about his family.
Well, if you cannot invite AJ home for me to access, you will have to stop seeing him.
But I already told you, Mom, he's coming for my birthday.
Okay, then good.
Wait, are you stepping out?
I have a lunch date with my client.
Oh my goodness, please, can I come with you?
No, you cannot.
Mommy, please now. I can't stay in this house all alone. It's too boring for me.
Okay, you can come, but you have to behave yourself there. I don't want you talking too much.
I promise. Thank you. I'm riding with you. Mom. I think my period.
What happened?
My period. Am I stained?
No.
Okay. Well, I feel.
You can feel it?
Yes.
Ow. There's some sanitary towel in my bedside.
But okay, thank you.
So, how much can I possibly pay you for you to quit that job? It will put you on the wrong path and it will ruin your future.
Actually, if I'm being honest, it was actually my first day on the job.
I want it to be your last.
See, the honest truth is, my dad has been sick for a really long time. Plus, I've been trying to raise some money to go back to school, so I really needed to take the job so I can raise some money for school. So.
Okay, how much is the money that's left for you? I will pay for it, every penny, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. I just want you to stop that job.
Thank you so much, Mama.
Listen, my name is Mona Lisa, and I am very single.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why me? I mean, like, why are you doing all of this?
Because you remind me of Leo. It's my late husband. He passed away some years ago while playing basketball.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's fine. I have my own question.
Okay.
Are you in a relationship?
It's complicated.
I don't understand the language you young people speak, honestly. But here is my card. You can now reach me personally if you want to.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I'm all alone in this boring house. Rubbish. Damn it. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're here.
You keep your phone.
Huh?
Where did you keep your phone? Oh, I'm
My phone?
calling you.
Are you for real? Oh.
Where have you been?
I've been out with AG.
Are you serious? Did you take any picture?
Let
Let me see.
Before Uncle.
Let me see.
Wait, hold on. Let me show you.
Oh my gosh.
Cute.
He's so cute. See his lips.
Oh
my god, see.
Wait. So you now want to snatch him from me?
I'm not.
Oh, what's
Just
going on?
let me see the picture.
No, don't worry. I'll show you the picture. No, leave me. So I'll scroll for you. This is when we're eating. Yeah. Yeah, and this is when he was taking pictures. Did you know I was taking him pictures?
How much did you charge her?
Actually, we just talked and then she left.
Are you stupid? Eh? Do you think I'm a child? Please, let me just have my 60%. If not, you'll see my madness in this place.
Oh, madam, I'm not lying now.
Will you shut up your mouth?
You can literally ask the waiters. We just talked. I'm not lying.
You just talked. A woman who is hungry to have you every minute just came here and did nothing?
Yes, we just talked, see, 2 glasses. And then she left like 15 minutes ago.
See, if you don't let me have my money,
Madam, when
Mona Lisa! What is this? Stay away from my business. Do you hear me? I do not mix my business with pleasure. And if I do, I must get my payment in full.
Yeah, but what is the problem?
I only help to get away from your loneliness. And I do not want you to use that as an excuse to ruin my business for me.
Yeah, but you're still not making sense. What are you talking about?
Okay. You went behind my back to call my boy and have fun with him. And then you refused to pay him, or maybe you paid him and then you refused to pay me. You know what? As your friend, I'm just going to advise you kindly. Please pay him by money. When you pay him, let him give me my cut. That is all I want.
But I didn't even do anything.
Oh, please shut up, you bloody liar.
What's going on? Why was she shouting like that?
So just forget about her. Okay?
No, it's not nice. I don't like when they make you angry like this.
I'm not angry.
Oh, it is good to see how grown you have been. No, I'm not angry. Just ignore her. Let's talk about something else. Where did you say you wanted to have your birthday this year again?
Oh, Nigeria.
I thought you wanted a trip for your 19th birthday.
Yeah, but I mean, AG is here, so I want to spend it with him. Plus, I can always celebrate my 20th birthday in Melbourne.
And we are talking about this boyfriend again. Haven't I told you to slow down?
No, he's so sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. You will have to bring him home for me to see who we're talking about.
For real? Oh my god, thank you. Thank you.
Bring him home tomorrow.
Oh, I promise, you'll love him. You'll love him.
I hope so.
Yes, let's go.
Who did this to you?
Let's not talk about it, please.
Did Olive do this?
Please, let's not talk about Olive. Because just talking about her annoys me.
Okay, I'm taking you to the hospital. Get in the car.
No. That won't be necessary. This is not even that serious. Besides, I don't want to have anything to do with that crazy lady. As a matter of fact, I'm leaving the business entirely to her.
I'm sorry you're having to go through this because of me.
No, don't blame yourself. It's not your fault.
August, I love you. Guess what? I brought some money for you. I want you to pay it in.
Yeah?
Get in the car, let me give it to you.
Okay.
Aria.
What do you mean? I just want him to meet my mom first, okay? I'm just excited to make him a part of us. Oh wait, hold on. Hello? Okay. You see me now. 1 minute. Sorry. How are you?
You look so pretty.
Wait, hold on.
It's nothing, babe. Don't worry about it.
Oh my goodness, how did this happen?
It's fine. It's just a home accident, I promise.
No. This doesn't look like a domestic accident. What did this to you?
Don't worry. Stop worrying about it. I promise. He doesn't even hurt anymore. See? He doesn't hurt. See, let me tell you. Okay. So I hit my face on the door because my house was dark. Okay. So I'm fine now. I promise. Stop worrying. Is your mom inside?
Oh yeah, she's been dying to meet you.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Babe, stop worrying. You're making me nervous.
That must hurt, right?
No, it's fine. I promise. How do I look? Do I look presentable?
Yeah, you look dashing.
Thank you.
Let's go. Are you sure it doesn't?
I promise you it's fine. Don't worry about it.
Hi.
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 Oh, yeah, this is my best friend, Gina.
Oh, hi, Gina.
Hi. So, what can I offer you?
I can't take anything. I'm just really nervous. I'm serious, like, I can't wait to meet your mom. I don't even know if she'll like me.
Calm down, babe. See, she already likes you, even without seeing you.
Already?
Yeah. I once told her that you solved an equation.
Oh, no, you did not.
Yes, I did.
Oh my God. You will not stop.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Make yourself comfortable. Let me get my mom. Hey, so hi.
Have you done this before?
What are you talking about?
Visiting your girlfriend in her parents' house?
Not really. Why?
Nothing.
Mom?
Vicky's here.
Okay. Oh, okay. So have you entertained him with anything?
No, he says he's nervous. He says he will not like it.
Why would he be nervous? Well, I think that's a good thing. He's scared that he might lose you. See, go and entertain him with something.
I don't know. What's going on, scared? I'm nervous too.
See, there's no need for you to be nervous. As long as he makes you happy, right? And you love him. Then it's fine. I want to support you.
Oh,
Okay. All right, let me put my wig on. I'm coming.
yeah, what for you?
Is he the one?
Yes.
Excuse us.
Why? Is there any problem?
I said excuse us. Have you touched my daughter?
I had no idea she was your daughter.
Have you touched Ira?
No!
End whatever it is you have with her today.
That's gonna hurt her.
What about me?
I'm so sorry, I had no idea.
Do you even love me? Do you love Ira? Get out of my house. And don't you ever come back here again.
I said I'm sorry.
Mom, what?
Get out!
What's going on? Mom, what's going on? What
I don't
happened?
want to see this young man in my house again.
What? August! Mom! August! August, please! August, wait! August!
Aria!
What's going on?
Listen, I can't do this right now, please. I'm sorry.
You're sorry about what?
I'm sorry about what? Everything that you're going to hear, I'm sorry.
What do you mean?
Yes, I've seen you. Thank God I caught you. Deny it now. Can you deny that you have been having it with her behind me? In her house, in front of this a young child. Don't you have any shame?
Please stop. Please, you're embarrassing me. Please.
Wait. What's going on?
Hey, tell your mother to stay away from my business. Do you hear me? And for you, you will have no peace until you pay me everything that you owe me. I spent so much on making you look this clean. You this low-life pig.
Stop! Can you stop? Can you stop? What kind of embarrassment is this?
Can you stop this madness?
Did you want to call my belt?
Look, I will keep taking money from you anytime and everywhere I see you until you pay me what you owe me.
August. What was that? August, what's going on? Speak to me now. What is going on?
I cannot right now. Please.
August! What just happened? Aria! Mom, what's going on? What's going on? August is gone.
Let him go. He doesn't deserve you.
What do you mean? What are you even talking about?
Aria, he is not the kind of man I want to be around you. That boy will ruin your future.
How? What are you even saying? Do you know him from anywhere before?
Somehow.
Somehow? Okay. Tell me about it.
See, don't question me. I just don't want that boy around you.
Auntie Olive was here. And then she assaulted August. And then she took his money.
That is none of your business. That is their business.
She said you're ruining her business.
I don't know what she's talking about.
She said something about happy ending.
Listen, don't question me. I don't want that boy around you. Period.
What do I do now? Yeah, come here.
Papa. So, I've been looking. I didn't know you came back already. I've been looking.
Oh no, sorry, I beg. Like, this is just in my mind.
I didn't know you came back already. So, how did it go?
She's her mother.
Who?
Mona Lisa is Aria's mom.
What? Like, are you for real?
What happened to me today? So strange. I couldn't even believe it. I literally felt like the ground should open and swallow me.
This is a video. So, okay. What's your plan now? What do you have in mind? What do you want to do?
I don't even know. I have no idea. I am so confused.
I understand that. But, you know, she definitely not allow you to have anything to do with her daughter. If you have anything to do with her daughter.
But I love her.
Who?
I mean, she's so nice. She's very kind. She's such a different person.
Who? Like Mona Lisa?
Look, let me ask you a question. And please answer me honestly. If you were in my shoes, what would you do?
Yeah, I know you've gone fond of her. You like her a lot. I can see that. And I know she likes you a lot also, considering what she has been doing for you. So it's obvious she's in love with you. But if I was to be in your shoe, I would just cut everything that I have going on with her daughter and explore the world with her. Yes. In due time, she will realize she can't settle with a guy like you. Yeah? She'll move on. You will move on and life goes on. That's it.
Yeah, but what about Aria?
Come on now. How could you be thinking of her? See, she's a young girl. She'll definitely find out somewhere along the line. She'll move on. She'll, bounce back. She's a fine young girl. She'll find someone. God. Listen, your future is what is important here. You should be concerned about your future, not her. Come on.
He's so charming. I can get over him. What's your name?
August.
August.
Do you feel okay?
Yes, I feel better.
So you no longer feel the pain in your back? And
Oh, no.
That's good. I'm leaving now though.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. How much is your money again?
Oh, actually you just need to pay that to the company's account.
Oh, I see.
I mean, unless you want to give me a tip for the happy ending.
Here you go.
Okay. Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. You know, this is quite embarrassing for me, kind of.
Well, I think that's totally normal, especially when it's your first time, so.
Yeah, you know, I haven't really been with a man in several years.
Anyway, thank you for the money.
Anytime. Oh, you're welcome.
I guess I'm gonna have to take my leave now.
Okay. I believe this is yours too.
Yeah, actually. Thank you. Sorry, I got carried away. I mean, who wouldn't? It's $300.
Anytime. You're welcome.
Take care.
I am convinced that I'm in love with him. I want to have him to myself.
No.
Yes?
No.
What is it?
I think I know what a happy ending means now. Is this what I think it is? Oh wait, it is what I think it is. Because tell me why I just got to learn that August works in a body therapy lounge as a masseur.
Go to bed, okay? I'm too tired for this right now.
Can you just tell me the truth?
Okay, fine. If he's a masseur, that's not my business. At least you understand now that that's not the kind of job I want somebody doing around you.
Okay, when Auntie Olive said that you were ruining her business, what did she mean?
Ira, go to bed. It's too late for this.
I hope you know that you have no right to tell me who to love and who not to love.
I will see you in the morning.
Grandpa, wetin person go chop today now? No be you talk say you go cook beans.
Beans?
Guy, yesterday you talk say you go cook beans now. That's not beans we dey.
You are food self. Wetin so?
No guy, they won't do myself.
See, I dey really tired today. I get 1 or 2 to handle today, so no time for me to even go down.
Listen, you just see that indomie, you know you finish am yesterday. At least I for see wetin I go chop this.
See, you know if you don't reply her, she will not let you rest today.
It's a meal from my mom.
Okay, so what's she saying?
She wants us to meet for a full body massage.
Oh. A full body massage. I told you, that woman loves you. Hmm? She just wants to be around you. She misses you.
Bro, what if it's a trap?
Trap, care.
Hey, now, you know how these women think.
Trap, come. Trap from who? Who said trap? See, bro, let me just tell you the truth. She misses you and she wants to be with you. All you need to do now is get dressed and go and see her. And when you get there, tell her you've ended everything that has to do with you and her daughter. Huh?
Alright.
Good. Good luck, bro.
You now there they see you. I don't give people bad advice.
Ah, bad advice, no.
I shall.
Come on, go enjoy yourself, bad guy.
I'm not enjoying myself. I'm a professional. I'm going to do my job.
Yeah, fine boy. Full body massage. Yeah, that kind of thing.
I shall.
I better go enjoy yourself. You go gist me later. Bad guy.
I'm not enjoying myself. I'm going to work. I'm a professional.
Yeah, that kind of thing. Fine boy.
Let's go now. Later.
Alright, good luck, brother. Oh! Bad guy. Allah.
Hi. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. I hope I wasn't too long. And why did you change the rooms? Just, okay, fine. Let's just go and find the room. So
Listen.
Start.
Because I gave you access to my body the other day doesn't mean you will snap your fingers and it will happen again. It is disgusting to find out that my daughter is in love with my sugar boy.
Mona, I already apologized for that 1,000 times. And you know I would never do anything to hurt you. Alright, fine. I don't love your daughter. I love you. And if I didn't love you, I wouldn't come here when you requested for a massage.
I didn't invite you here for a massage.
I don't understand. Then who did?
I did.
I wanted to clear my doubts. So it's true. You're in love with my boyfriend. Of all the men in this world, you chose my man. Do you not see how shameless you are to stoop so low to sleep with someone yes, younger than you are?
Ira, you need to stop it. I'm in this mess today because I made a decision to choose you for my happiness. And if I had remarried when men were fucking around me, I would be so lonely to be in this messed up situation.
Oh, stop it! Stop using loneliness as a tool to mess around. I'm so ashamed of you.
Oh, wow.
You slapped me.
Yeah, wait now. Stop.
What is it? Gina, I just found out that AG has been sleeping with my mom. Oh, but see, it's not like she did something really bad, just... Did you hear what I just said? I just said that AG has been sleeping with my mom.
Then it's obvious that they have known each other for a very long time. You just met him a few days ago. Just...
Wait, is this how you want to judge this matter?
Aria, don't be a fool. Only a fool fight with her mother.
I am fighting for love. Fighting for love is not foolish.
For Christ's sake, stop it! Try to enjoy your mother's love. Try to enjoy your mother's love. You're just 18.
I'm 19!
still too young to fight over a guy. Aria, leave me alone.
Aria, okay, wait. Listen, okay, now wait. Aria, stop. Stop now.
What are you going to?
I'm leaving.
Why? Ara, can you just stop this? Aren't you happy for me at least?
Hold on. I should be happy that you stole my man.
I understand that you're too young to understand this. But you have your university ahead of you, you have school to do. You have a whole lot ahead of you. And you firsthand have witnessed how depressed and sad I've been over the years. This is my first time finding happiness. Just...
Hold on. Can you hear yourself? No. Can you hear what you're saying? You don't even have a single remorse for what you did. And you're here, standing here to tell me about love and happiness. Meanwhile, you have not one single love for me. You are selfish. You are selfish.
Selfish?
Yes.
How can you say that I'm selfish? If I was selfish, I would have married one of those men when they were flocking around me. But I didn't because I chose you over them. Just let me in. Enjoy this happiness for once. I will do anything for you.
No. I won't let you play fast on me.
At least, can you just hear me out? Let's go inside and talk. Are you going to allow a stranger come in between both of us?
Goodbye!
Bro, what's up? What is up? Wait, I thought you said you want to bring her here.
Who?
Your lover is inside.
Nick, what are you talking about?
Go inside and see for yourself. She's inside.
Aria! What are you doing here?
Baby, I don't want to lose you.
What are you doing here?
Are you angry at me?
Of course I'm angry with you. Why would you speak to your mother like that?
Baby, I'm fighting for our love.
Listen to me. See, your mother walked into our lounge, a lonely and broken woman. But you will never see that. You know why? Because you're a very selfish person and you make everything about yourself.
August, why would you say this to me?
Aria, you owe your mother an apology. How can you just stand there and say your mom doesn't love you? After everything that she has done for you, she sacrificed all of her happiness just to raise you. If she didn't love you, she would have been married a long time ago. So leave this house this minute and go and apologize to your mom.
Why do you sound so different? Whose side are you even on?
I'm on the side of truth. Go home and apologize to your mother. Don't make me say it again.
I am not going anywhere. After all, you owe me an apology for sleeping with my mom.
Aria, go home and apologize to your mom.
And if I don't?
I'm going to kick you out of this house.
So it's true. I never loved me. So you choose that old lady over me.
How dare you!
August! Leave me alone, I'm not going anywhere!
Bro, you're not funny. Come on now. Huh? Why would you send her home like that?
Why would I not send her home? No. Why would I not send her home? Bro, you were not there today. You should have seen what this girl did. So, check this out. You would not believe that this girl legit booked the room for the massage.
You don't mean it.
Oh, I mean it. I really, really mean it. It was a shock to all of us. First of all, we showed up there. She was already in the room, but she hid somewhere. Then while we were having the conversation with her mother, she jumped out of nowhere. Started insulting the mother, calling her shameless, calling her all sorts of names. My God. See, listeners, I'm here, I'm just confused. I need some time to think so I can make a reasonable decision.
See, you guys really need to stop this. Stop dragging this. Eh?
Bro.
By now, I know she'll be so mad at her mom.
I don't care. What she did was wrong. She needs to go home and apologize to her mother. Who is this woman? Hello? No. I sent her back home. She left like 3 hours ago. No, don't worry, man. I'll try to find out.
God. She's not home yet?
No. She left like 3 hours ago.
It then means one thing. She didn't go home.
Oh, I need to go and find her now.
Find her? Okay, so where are you going to find her from?
I really don't know. Wait, I think I know where to find her.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I can't go now.
Yeah.
I need to go and find this girl.
It's okay, just be careful. Huh? Well, I'll be at Uncle's place. I'll drop the key for you at our usual spot. Easy, oh. Oh.
Hello? You've not found her? Oh my God. Ma, I tried. I've looked everywhere. Okay. Alpha Nick. Yeah, bro, I haven't found out. She hasn't gone home yet. And I remember I switched off. Oh, okay. Alright, I'll come. Harriet, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Papa.
Everybody has been worried about you.
Come on, cuddle me.
Harriet, you need to go home. Your mother has been worried about you.
think my mom should be fine.
Arya, get up. I need to take you home right now. Get up.
I don't understand. What is it? I told her I can't go back to that house. I can't go back to that house. Why do you suddenly hate me so much?
I don't hate you. I don't hate you, Arya, but your mother is worried about you. You need to go home.
I can't go back to that house. She's going to kill me. Babe, if you really love me, you let me pass the night here. I'm tired. I don't have time for a conversation right now.
No, fine. I'll let you pass the night here on one condition. You need to turn on your phone and call your mom and tell her you're safe.
Are you joking?
I'm serious.
I'm not doing that.
No, that's fine. Then I should call my cabman so he could come and take you home.
Wait. Hello. I'm safe. Good night.
Wait, that's it? You couldn't even apologize. Do you know what you put that woman through? Do you know how worried she was?
So what now? Are you not going to chase me away because of that? Do you know what I've been through today because of love? Is this what I finally get for loving you genuinely?
Yeah, I didn't. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
August, come and open this gate now. August, come outside before I break this place down. Come outside now. August, hey, come outside. You'll bring my money and my working tools and come outside now. So you think, hey, this boy, August, hey, you think I don't know you went to see Mona Lisa, eh? Don't worry. August!
Olivia, why are you disturbing my neighbors?
Olivia, wait. My name is not Olivia. My name is Olive. Do you understand me? Olive. And please, go inside there and bring her that your good-for-nothing friend, that your dubious friend. Let him come and settle me. If he does not settle me, I just a snap of my finger. Police will come here and arrest him. And even you, they will bundle both of you together. Do you understand me? August!
See, you are not welcome here. If you are not blind, you will notice that this gate is locked. There's nobody at home. See, Olivia, or Olive, whatever you call yourself, stop showing your face here. Stop coming here. You're not welcome.
August! August! Hey, after... Come back here. By the time I'm done with you people, if I don't get settled today, I will just... August! Okay now, don't worry. August! August! Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Olivia, what are you doing here? Huh?
Please, where is that your stupid, dubious, wicked, very scamming friend of yours? Where is he?
Wait, are you mad? What gave you the right
to barge into my house like that?
Am I mad? No. You and your friend are the mad ones. Yes, you told your friend to come and dupe me, eh? You told your friend to come and dupe me. You are the mad ones. When I'm done with both of you, you will know that I am Olive.
Step out. Get out! I said get out!
Where did you find her?
Oh, she's home now.
Thank you. Baby, your birthday celebration is in a few days. There's something for us to be happy for. We don't need this.
This will end when you stop seeing him.
Aria, I have told you to stop speaking to your mother like that.
Then you tell her to stop seeing you.
Can you just shut up?
Hey, young man, you don't shout at my daughter like that. She's not your wife.
And you don't speak to my boyfriend that way. He's not your slave.
Young lady, I brought you into this world and I will take you out in a minute if you ever disrespect me again.
And no good mother steals her daughter's boyfriend with money.
You know what? I'm done with all of this madness. Both of you can kill yourself for all I care.
Hey, let me go. Sit your wife down.
I meant it when I said it is over. I can't be the reason why you and your daughter are at war. Listen, reconcile with her, okay? Trust me, you need her more than you need me. After all, I'm just a stranger to you. No, good night.
Ira, you really can't lock mommy out, you know? Ira! Okay, you know what? Just open the door and then we'll talk. Ira! August, and I lost my daughter.
But I need her. I need them.
did you stay around?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah? Well, that's really nice. Actually, I'm here to see my friend. So I just saw you and I decided to say hello.
Okay.
Are you sure you're okay? You look really nervous.
No, I'm not. Fine. Okay.
Fine, that's fine. Anyway, I don't know if I will see you again. Is it okay if I get your number?
Rapper. Wow, man. What's up, bro?
I told him it's over.
What?
I told him all this and I realized it's over.
Are you mad? What has come over you? Okay, fine. What about the remaining money she promised to give you for your tuition fee abroad?
Bro, I don't know. And if I'm being honest with you, right now I don't really care. Because I feel like I'm the one causing this problem between the both of them. It's too much. It's too much. I need some space. I need to think. It's just a lot.
Guy, you're a loser. Yes, a big one.
Bro, you don't understand. I
Big
don't expect you to understand.
Happy birthday! Come here, baby, come here. Oh, I'm so proud of you. You are so beautiful. Okay, so I got your presents. This is a present from me. But this is not the surprise. This is not the surprise. The surprise is this. So your father's lawyer, slow down. Your father's lawyer, he brought this last month and he said that your father asked him to give it to you on your 19th birthday.
Okay.
There you go.
Can I open it now?
Sure.
Oh my God.
The sum of 50 million naira will be transferred to your account.
Oh my God! Congrats! My friend is now a millionaire. Are you serious? Happy birthday.
Oh, I really miss him.
I miss him too. I am sure he is smiling at us from heaven. All right, let's cut the cake.
is interrupting us? August.
I just came by to say happy birthday. This year is fantastic.
Thank you.
I'll just you guys to be.
I don't know.
I'm going to my room.
Wait! Where are you going to? Why are you even leaving Lagos?
I really need to go. I need to go as far away as possible because I don't want to be a problem to a daughter and her mother.
No, but that's not your fault. Listen, I just didn't handle things the way I should have. I understand it's difficult to make a decision when you're in a position like this. But see, August, I promise you, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything that I put you through.
No, there's nothing to apologize for. It's fine, I promise. It's fine.
Do you really love Ira?
No. She's the one I love.
So can I come and see you tomorrow before you leave?
I don't think so.
Please, I'll be very quick. Please.
I really don't know.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you.
So, yeah.
I need to speak with you inside now.
Okay, when I'm done talking to him, I'll come.
August, I need you to leave my mom alone. I need to speak with her.
I'm not done talking to him.
Why are you shouting at me because of a total stranger?
What's wrong with you?
You need to go inside now and we've not got my cake yet.
Just give me a minute. When I'm done talking to him, I'll come in.
When you're done talking to him, did I invite him here? August, leave my mom alone. I need to speak with her.
Can I see?
Oh, by the way, here's your stupid flower. Go dig up.
Just give me a minute. Can I see you tomorrow?
No, I really can't. I really have to go. I think you should settle with your dad. I can't be in the midst of all this.
I can just come for 5 minutes.
What happened? Sorry. What happened?
I tripped. I don't know.
Sorry. Let me see. Let me see. Sorry. It must really hurt. Sorry. Just try not to put too much pressure on you.
Try not to. Oh my god.
Sorry. Sorry. You know, when you get home, put some ice on it, okay? Sorry. Can you walk?
I'm not sure I can.
Just try. Okay? Sorry.
So he was actually playing me all this while.
Positive.
Baby, take whatever you want. I'll pay. Whatever you want. If you want the entire restaurant, I will pay for it. I got it, baby.
Where did you get the money from?
Babe, don't worry about it. Listen, so I placed this bet that went really well, and your boy is rich. I'm serious.
Betting?
Yeah.
Why don't you just save up for your tuition fee?
Babe, don't even worry about it. I'm here to spoil you, baby. Eat whatever you want. If you want 50,000 tokens, you can eat it. We are not leaving this restaurant until we get back.
Oh, this one took more. Not bad. Alright. Let me record it and send to my baby. So you see how it fits. Fanboy with 100% steals. Gaffer. How you doing? Where you did? Okay, I'll come outside. Just wait. Alright. I'll come. Just go. Yeah, now what for you? Oh, you know they like to be cold. So that's why I'm not there around now. So you and that cabman for the exchange words for straight anyhow.
Bro, I don't know what they do my bank app, bro. I don't know what they do my bank app. Since yesterday, I don't feel to transfer, nothing.
Meanwhile, you tell me say you did travel. What's up? Why you come back?
You know you what they tell you. My bank app no dey work, I don't feel to draw money. Even that girl when they do POS for bus stop, that girl, she don't come up today. You know, say she owe my 3-5, I tell you that day now.
I'm tired. Like, everything happens for a reason. And maybe God not just want me.
Hey, officer, this is the boy. He's the one that threatened me with the gun.
A gun?
Alright, stay calm. I have a warrant to search this apartment.
Which gun? Wait. There's no gun in this house, officer.
Officer!
There's no gun in this house. What are you talking about?
I know you are behind this.
Alright. Just stay where you are. Or whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, search everywhere.
Alright, just stay calm.
Alright, officer, fine.
Stay calm.
Search it, search everywhere. You will see it. Yes.
In this house.
Stay calm.
Hey.
What is this?
Is this not a gun?
What is this?
Is this not a gun?
Wow.
Jesus. Jesus what?
What is this?
Gun, sir.
What is this?
Gun, sir.
See, I will do anything.
Officer, shut up!
Arrest them!
You are under arrest for unlawful possession of firearms. You have the right to remain silent, or whatsoever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
I don't know how to go.
Officer, she framed us.
Arrest them!
Be honest.
Officer, this woman is lying. She's lying. We don't know anything about it.
Wow, I'm a liar now.
Officer,
Eh?
officer, please, wait. Excuse me.
Excuse for what?
Excuse me.
Move!
What are you waiting for?
Move!
Come outside! You are being arrested. You are pressing your phone. Officer, do your job.
Jesus. Officer, please. You really need to see this.
I hope you guys are not trying to play fast one.
No, sir. See, coincidentally, my phone was on record before I left the room. So somehow, it captures something you would like to see. This will interest you, sir. Take a look.
Oh my God.
What is it?
Who is this? Who is this?
Officer, let's talk outside. Let's talk.
Shut up! You're under arrest for unlawful possession of firearms, for deformation of character, and for misleading the police force. Move it!
Arrest her!
Move!
You brought in jail!
Move!
I am the one that brought you, officer. I'm the one that brought you.
God, this kid is wicked. Jesus, thank you, Jesus. Hey. What do you about this girl? She know the hear what? I said you won't carry me go police station. You want me to go sleep cell? Or what did I not do? Hey! God!
Mom?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I have something to tell you.
What is it?
I am engaged.
Engaged? What are you talking about?
Mom, I'm serious. I said yes.
You said yes to who?
I said yes to the love of my life.
Aris, stop it. Stop playing with me. I'm not joking here.
Who said I'm joking either? Mom, I'm serious here.
You have your education to finish. You're still in university. Why is marriage your goal?
I don't want anybody to snatch him away from me again.
Let me remind you, Ari, you're 19 years old. And you are not getting married now.
Mom, no one said anything about getting married anytime soon. He said you can wait till I'm done with my master's. Come on, Mom, it's just an engagement.
Who's this guy?
No. I can't let you know until our wedding day.
Listen, see, I don't care who this person is. You're returning that ring to him today.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't. It's too late.
You told him about the money in your account, didn't you? I'm sure you did, and then he proposed to you. Don't you get it?
You don't even know this guy, Mom. You don't know him. You don't know anything about him.
Well, you are not living in my house with that ring.
My father's house, you mean? It's okay. If you don't want me here, I can get another apartment for myself.
Why did you leave the house? Did you know your mother was worried?
If my mother told you she was worried, then she's lying.
Oh, can you stop being silly?
This is my family affair, Gina.
Oh, really?
Yes. And I don't want you to bite too much of it.
I'm not letting you continue with this.
Gina, I need you to help me with something in my room. I want you to help me with my makeup.
You know we're discussing about something important here. Are you serious?
No. Gina!
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, baby. How are you?
I'm fine.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. I have something I want to share with you. It's good news.
Okay, what's it?
I'm pregnant. It's for you.
What?
Hey, baby. How are you? Oh, that's good. So you finally decided to accept my suggestion to come, Abby? Well, I guess now's the perfect time to let my darling mother here know who put this ring on my finger. Well, it's my baby here. He proposed and I said yes.
Ariel, what?
Are you scared of my mom? Are you scared of my mom?
But
You are a chameleon, August, and you will never marry my daughter.
I'm sorry, did you think I would leave him for you? I like the look on your face right now.
Aria,
What?
don't talk to your mother like that.
Ariel, when did I?
Why'd you look sad?
Aria.
What?
Are you out of your mind?
What?
What was the meaning of that you did in there?
I can see you obviously have nothing to say.
See, just...
I'm leaving.
Aria,
I asked you, why'd you look sad?
when did I propose?
August.
So you thought I was so stupid to have fallen in love with you, right? Well, guess what? You're the loser here. And for the records, I found love. And it's sweeter than you can ever imagine.
What are you even talking about?
Hey.
Hey, baby.
Shall we?
Of course. Let's get my bag.
Where's my daughter? Where's Anna?
Mama Lisa, listen.
I'm so sorry. I know that all of this has been very confusing. I don't even understand half of what is happening. But I came back because I miss you.
You cannot miss me when your heart still lies with my daughter.
I don't love Aria. I stopped loving her the moment she called you shameless.
She's right. It's only a shameless woman that would fight over a man with her daughter. From August, I really regret ever having anything to do with you.
My love is not in line.
You need to leave.
Are you serious? Lisa, look at me. I love you. I've loved you from the moment I saw you. And don't even listen to anything Aria is saying because she's lying. I never proposed to her. As a matter of fact, I haven't even set my eyes on her since I left this place. Mona Lisa, it's you I want.
You need to leave.
Okay. Bye.
I should have done better.
No, see, it was not your fault. Don't blame yourself for it. I guess I was just destined to lose everything that I love.
No, ma. Everything's going to be okay. It will be over soon. Do you need a ride? Let's go.
No, I was just going out. Let me drop you off.
Guy, wetin be this now? No, what is all this? What is all this? Now until they stress you that they go know say that they stress you. See, my advice for you now is to leave there immediately. Come on for there. What do you see they do for there? They try you put for there. Come on for there.
Just take me back to the house.
What is going on?
I've not seen my mom this broken since this whole drama started. God, I don't want to lose my mom. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking. Please take me back to the house.
Okay, what about me?
Please, I'll sort you out. I'll pay you your balance when we get there, please. Mom.
Madam no carry her back, come on to.
Where? To where?
I don't know.
You didn't ask her where she was going to?
Small madam. I don't know if you ask big madam how kind of thing now.
Hey. She's not picking.
See, relax, okay? Maybe when she's fine, she'll call you back.
You need to take me out of this place.
Where are you going to?
I don't know anywhere. I need to find my mom.
Okay, calm down. Where's my balance? At least I've done my part, my own part of the job.
Let's see later, please. Please. I need to find my mom, please.
Oh, please be careful. Shit. Please make you go, please.
What was that? My gate man told me that he stood in front of my gate for hours. What was it?
Gina, I'm looking for my mom.
Your mom now live in my house, so I don't know. She's not picking my calls. Why are you not acting as if you love your mom all of a sudden? Because I do, Gina. That's good. Let me sit and call my mom. She's not picking my call. See, I was busy doing something, so later. Come on now, Gina, come in.
She's not in there.
Anyway, I've been trying to call her, but she's not picking. Can I use your phone, please? I forgot my phone at home. Hey. Wait, just wait, let me go get it.
Oh, wow.
Do life without you. And I know that you love him just as much as he loves you. You can have him. It's okay. You can have him. Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Can I not have my money?
Seriously?
Oh, I actually paid him. The whole proposal thing was planned.
I think you need to
leave where?
Bro,
I need to collect my balance. He said she should leave.
Get out!
To where?
Now!
I said she need to give me my
I'm
balance.
not going to
What's
repeat
wrong
my
with you? When I get my balance?
I said get out now. Get out!
I'm happy I'm home. I'm happy I have you. I'm sorry.
I'm really sorry I put you through all of this.
Gina, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No, you don't understand. You're such a great friend.
What are you saying? I didn't do what a friend is not supposed to do. What I did is what a friend does. Sure. Anyways, when are we taking our results?
Is he out?
Are you serious? Yes. But I'm kind of scared.
You? Scared? What are you scared about? I'm very Jerry. You that is always scoring A in all the subjects.
I'm serious.
See, we'll check it tomorrow.
If you say so.
Yes, I say so.
Anyways, How is your mom?
I like her now. I like how she's been so happy these past few days. Honestly, it's I haven't seen her so happy in such a long time.
Very good.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for her.
Me too.
For you, thank God.
Yeah.